Hi there, welcome back to Mr. Money Phone. My name is Ryan, and today I'll be showing you how to use slow motion video with the iPhone 13 Pro. First, you're going to open up your camera app, and then you're going to swipe left until you get to Slo-mo. I'm going to take a slow motion video of my cat walking, so I'm going to turn my phone sideways. I'm going to get down, start recording. And now that I've finished taking the video, I can go back and watch, but the part that's slow motion right now is the beginning, and it's not the part where she's walking, but you can go in and edit this, and you can edit exactly where you want the slow motion part to be. And when you click done, the video will save how you have it edited. And that is how you make a slow motion video using the iPhone 13 Pro.